안녕하세요 or hello, this is Deeh with Decently Crafty. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm going to attempt making Asian coconut layer jello. So 9 cups of water, 1 can of coconut milk, 1.5 cup of sugar, food coloring, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 bag of Agar-Agar powder. I am following the recipe by Danny Cow from YouTube, and she said to mix the sugar, salt, and Agar-Agar powder in the water at room temperature first. Wow, that's a lot of sugar. Can it just be 1 cup? Okay, maybe 1 more spoon. Yep, that should be sweet enough for me. Now I'm adding the Agar-Agar powder and we'll mix everything well together. We will add the coconut milk once everything is boiling hot, and we will add food coloring at the end. Maybe not we, just me, I don't know. Well, we if you're following with me. Okay, here I am getting my handmade silicone molds of Hmong designs ready. I'm testing how well the coconut jello will turn out with them. I mean, to be honest, this is really the only reason why I am making coconut jello. Otherwise, cooking is not my thing. I'm just an eater. From my first 2 trials of making jello using my handmade silicone molds, most of them turned out perfectly imperfect, but I used a simpler recipe. I did not use coconut milk. And another trial was jello powder from Aldi, which was not the best with these silicone molds, as those were super soft. Alright, time to add the coconut milk and let it boil for a bit. I'm just checking the temperature because I was curious how hot it was. 92 degrees Celsius or 198 degrees Fahrenheit. And now here comes the fun part, food coloring. I'm going to let it cool for just a few minutes. The temperature is now 74 degrees Celsius or 166 degrees Fahrenheit. Oops, actually let me try something to make it fun, because I believe coconut jello doesn't have to be boring to eat. And now I am swirling. It felt like I was making soap for sure, but this is coconut jello. Here's the leftover coconut jello mixture, and again, let's make it fun, something different, right? I'm so thrilled to see how it will turn out. Here's the moment of truth. For sure, we'll see that some jello coconut designs are perfect and some will be imperfect, but that's okay. They're all still edible. And now look at these. What do you think? And 4 things, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.